starting new roof painting project. This time we're gonna paint color bond as well and tile roof at the same go. The only difference is that you're gonna use different undercoats. So stay tuned, guys. So pressure cleaning is done. Now I'm gonna touch up a little bit of rust on these color bond roofs and a bit of pointing. I've already grinded off some of the cappings, like that one there, the one on the top. It's just maybe 5-6 touch-ups on the cappings. Apart from that, this pointing is rock solid, so it's all ready to be sprayed all over again. And this roof I've done 10 years ago, and it's time for respraying, and there's no much preparation on it as far as I can see. It's still in a very good nick, and I could not wash off the paint. The paint still, most of it is on, so it could have go for another couple of years, but better do it now at early stages. You don't do as much preparation I would do if it stays any longer. So we just started blowing off all the leaves from the roof. We have a continuing problem with this tree here. It's just delivering all these leaves, and have to have a blower in my hands constantly. I'm gonna start spraying very soon once I blow off all these leaves and the dust that come off the tree, and a bit of a pointing there. Gonna be ready for spray painting. Starting to spray undercoat on the roof tiles. I'm using high build primer. Tip side is 514 low tip pressure, green tip. So I'm gonna start from this corner and take it away. So this is the difference between concrete tiles and the steel roof that I'm gonna do now. It's undercoat. So we're gonna use galvanized primer for this color bond roof. Well, we are using high build primer for the concrete tile roofs. Tip size 415, low pressure tip. Start from this corner here. you.